Good evening, dear friends. This is my fifth video after joining MRM course. Today, I would like to tell something about the how one should lead the meaningful life. That is, in Kannada, ಸಾರ್ಥಕ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಡೆಸಬೇಕು. Here, I would like to tell you how one should live their life so that it should get a meaning in it. In the book The Saint Who Sold Ferrari, I found the meaning of this, wherein the author explains that the meaningful life means a person, when he comes to the earth, that is, at the time of birth, generally the people around him, they will be very happy and enjoying and they are laughing. Whereas at that time, the child who took the birth, it was crying. That is, at the birth, the person is crying and the people around him are laughing and enjoying the moment. It happens to everyone, and I think in almost all family it has happened. The other part, when he is leaving the earth after completing the journey, the person who is led his life with this, that is a meaningful life, he will be having, that means at his death, you can see that he is having a smile in his face. That means that body, you can see the face was smiling and it will be bright, and the people around him, many people, they will cry, they will express their great gratitude feelings. In another part, if you, and it happens to some people. In some people, what happens? The dead body will have such a face. We can easily see the sorrow, the unfulfillment, attachment, and the dried face. And I think it will be very unpleasant to see also. And the people around that body, many people, I can say, you might have come across many people, they used to curse because of his deeds, because of his, style of living in the society. So this happens, and we might have come across in our life. Why? Because of the transformation, person from birth to death, he will face two types of life. One is pleasant life, which is good for the society. Another one is unpleasant life, which is very bad to the society. What I understood from this is life is a journey from birth to death. One should see that there should be a proper changes should happen in their life, so that the society should feel their presence, they should get an help, the society should appreciate their living, and their living should become a kind of um, model, so that people can live like him. Generally, what happens during the changes starts taking place from the age of 21 to 45, a type of people, they are so guided by the such thoughts, they will have such a desires, they will make money they will get the position by illegal way, corrupt way, because of the guidance they get from the parents or from the surroundings. Ultimately, such kind of people they end up their life so miserably. Another kind of people who are properly guided by their parents, gurus, or the classes like MRM courses, they will come to know what is the purpose of life, how to translate themselves into a person who can become very important and very useful for the society by adopting, inculcating the habits of treating the people, serving the people. So, such things will happen. That's why when the people start behaving good to the society, the society in terms they keep gratitude, they keep love and affection to such a person. At the time of his departure, that is at the death, the person will have a total fulfillment in his life, and at the death he will never fear of death, because such people who have got the total fulfillment and enlightenment in their life, they never feel of the, I mean they will never fear of the death. That's well, those people face, you can see the smile and the brightness in their face. The people around them, that body, they will have a lot of gratitude to such a noble people, noble person. They will express their gratitude by way of crying, sorrow. So these things happens to many of the saint or people like Buddha, and many people lived, one Mahatma Gandhi. So many examples are there. Only those people have properly taken certain principles from their gurus or from the parents or from by reading books or something like that, and they have changed their life. This is what the MRM courses is really giving us a very good knowledge for making us our life meaningful. We have to follow this, I mean, consistently and more regularly, intensive belief and desire. Definitely, we will become a person like that, and our life will be full of meanings. Thank you. Thank you to all.